Wes Winsor Law presents Contract Basics, Elements of a Contract. Oftentimes people ask me what needs to happen in order to form a contract. This video explains the basic elements needed to form a contract. There are 4 elements to any contract. Number 1, the offer. Number 2, acceptance. Number 3, consideration, or a bargain for exchange. Number 4, meeting of the minds, or intent to take on a legal obligation. Explanation of the offer. An offer is a representation in either oral or written form that, if accepted, will bind the parties with certain obligations and entitle them to certain rights. Advertisements on Craigslist are not offers. They are merely invitations to start negotiations. An offer is given with the expectation that it could be accepted immediately. Offers have different criteria depending on whether you are a merchant or you're not. Acceptance. Acceptance is the act wherein the offeree, the person to whom the offer is made, agrees to the terms presented by the offeror, the person who is making the offer. This can happen by implicit actions, or express words or actions, or more formally by a signature at the end of a document. Consideration. Consideration is the price the buyer pays the seller, or the value that is exchanged by both parties. Consideration can take many forms, such as money, labor, objects, service, refraining from doing something that you otherwise have the legal right to do. The last element of a contract is the meeting of the minds. The meeting of the minds requirement seems to be the root of most contract problems that go wrong. The meeting of the minds requirement requires the parties to make the contract to understand or agree on the terms and provisions of the contract, or at least the main ones. Without all these elements, the contract may be void, voidable, or unenforceable. So the next time you wonder if you are contractually obligated to do something, think through the 4 requirements listed above, and chances are that you will come out on the correct side. Thanks for watching. For more information on contract basics, please see my YouTube channel or check out my website, www.weswindsorlaw.com/. Wes Winsor Law presents